Hello guys, welcome to another PKTV Productions. This is the Apple Watch Series 4 Nike edition. So I decided to actually go and get one of the Series 4s in the Nike edition, so let's have a look and see what's in the box. Forgive me for this late video, I have been busy, so here we go. Let's open her up. So you see right here, I have actually opened it. This is the cellular version, so I've had to actually set it up with my carrier. So I decided to actually open it prior to this video so I could have it fully configured and set up. But other than that, most of everything is intact. As you can see here, it is fully in the flesh and fully set up. But let's take a look at what is actually in the box. So you get these two tabs, you basically pull them. And here we go. So this is the 44mm. It's a bit upside down, but nonetheless, it's the 44mm. The cellular version. And you can see right here, when you bring it through, you get a clock. Nike clock. And we pull off the box, and obviously this is where the watch would actually be, and the strap would actually be detached in this case. So in this case, we've got a smaller version of the actual strap, as well as instruction manuals. As you can see right here, here is the instruction manual for what you need to do to set up the watch. There is a magnetic charger. You now get a wall charger, and the magnetic charger as well. Previously, with the first Apple Watch, you didn't actually get that, but now you get that, apparently, a wall charger. So here we go. Let's see what else we got here. So this is the actual band itself. So it's a Nike branded band. I opted for the black, all black version. So the particular watch here. So if I can get this open, you'll be able to see exactly what it looks like. So obviously it's this Apple Watch Nike edition, and obviously I've taken out of the larger version of the band, and you've also actually got the band at the bottom there as well for smaller wrists. So here it is in the flesh, so it's fully set up. I've configured it, I've restored it. This is one of the classic faces that you would have for the particular Apple Watch Series 4, so it's the default one with all the complications, as you can see right there. You've got the digital crown. It works really fast in comparison to the very first Apple Watch. We've got the multitasking, and it's incredibly fast without any shadow of a doubt. It's very good. We've got the digital crown, we've got the ECG monitor on there on the side. We've also got our sapphire back as ceramic back, as well as a few speakers there, and obviously that LCD 44mm. Here is the actual Nike band, as you can see right there. It's got all the holes in it, and it's full black. And there we have it. So that's the Apple Watch. Alright, so if I unlock this, simple password is really set up really well. So it's not a sapphire screen, because this is the actual Ion version of it, the Ion X screen, so it's not as durable as a sapphire screen. So this is the $799 version in Australia, which is the cellular version. But I just can't marvel how quick it is compared to the very first Apple Watch that I had. This is probably the first upgrade that I did, but I have to say the mobile capability and everything else about it is incredibly good. This is definitely a refined product from the very first Apple Watch, and I'll do more videos on this demonstrating against Wear OS, but this is the Nike Edition Series 4. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I will do more videos on actual smartwatches in the future, so check it out later. Cheers.